All right, now we'll be extending our program a bit by switching it from, by optimizing it from using the file method and switching to use the width method. So the width method is more better and more stable. So that's why we're changing it. But I started with the file method so we could understand the concept of how we could write to a file, because this is more, this gives more visual understanding. So let me just remove this block of code. So it starts with width, then we have open. With open the file, similar just like how the other one works. Then we have, so we have our to-dos, we have our to-dos .txt. Then we have a read, which is R to read the file. Then it's written this way as file. Then we have our colon, so which takes us to the indentation. So we can have to-dos, which is equal to what? File dot read lines. Yep. Close the bracket. So this does the same thing with what we have before. So I'll just replicate the same thing. So we'll be using this method because this is more stable than the traditional file method that we're using. Then I'll also do that for the read. Sorry, this should be to-dos. Also use this for our file, our open, our write files also. So we'll do the same thing for that aspect of our code too. So which is so let's clear this and write that also. So with open, then we have to-dos .txt. So we have our W for write. Then we have out as file write lines to-dos. So we're writing to-do. So similar, like just like how this was here is reading the file, so it's reading it to the variable. I think this even makes us see it visually more better. So this we are reading the file and writing it to this, so to this variable. This time this is writing to the variable. So whatever we write that we're putting to this file is writing the lines from this variable to the file. So that's what this part is doing. So let's just replicate it in other areas where we have this. So I think I'll just copy this. This is for read lines, so we can copy this exact block of code and replace this. And here we don't need the close file. So I think that's every aspect where we have that here. So I think let's run a program to test and ensure it's working correctly. So let me just add to what I have. What have I now written for our to do? Sleep. I think I've written sleep before. So we're trying to do. So let's show also. So you see. So we have it. Okay. So I have eat, clean, rest, sleep. So our program still works. Okay. So we'll extend the other part even as we continue.